Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am at Khandi Point near Pune. That's a mind-blowing place and a beautiful place to visit near Pune. And this place consists of many waterfalls near it, and the waterfalls are very large and beautiful, and you should visit this place once. At the peak of mountain you can see the clouds, touch them, and the place is of beautiful nature, and the nature is too much beautiful, and place consists of many points and waterfalls. And friends, the climate over there is nice, and the best time to visit there is rainy season, because in the rainy seasons the waterfalls are active, and the big waterfalls you can see them and also enjoy them.